Okay, so can you guys see my screen now? Hello? Is my screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this might only take 3 to 5 minutes. So consultation time. So week 7 to 8. Does anyone has a question or clarification regarding week 7 to 8? Regarding with your quizzes, case studies, pre-made video, the module itself, anything. If none, just give me a quick thumbs up. Just let me know that you don't have a question at all. So 2 out of 11, 3, 4. Only 4. What about the others? 5. Okay. So 5 out of 11, or it's just 5 out of 10, excluding me. Anyway, to those who didn't give me thumbs up, just let me know, guys, if you have a question or concern or a clarification. Okay. All right. So as you guys can already see, I already published your week 9 to 12. Though even though I published your week 9 to 10, your module 9 and 10 rather, so your quizzes on module 9 and 10 is still not available today. So you guys have to wait a week from now. So this is just an advance, publication. I just published this one, but still not yet available. So the availability of this one is, so wait a second, why is this July 4th? This one should be available next week, not July 4th. So let me just change this one, July 11. Same with this one. So you can follow that, one quiz per week only. So there you go, July 11. So their due dates will be on July 25. So you guys have 2 weeks to finish those quizzes. Those 2 quizzes, 2 weeks for that. So let's just say a week for one quiz and then another week for another quiz. So for the case study 5, so I haven't finished finalizing this one yet. So I will just publish this one maybe next week once I'm done with this one. And the only thing that you guys can see on the watch videos is the pre-made media of the source transformation and the delta y and then y to delta transformation. So I haven't finished editing the module 11 and module 12 pre-made video yet. So maybe next week I will now also publish or upload the pre-made video for the module 11 and 12. And of course, the remaining meetings will be given to you guys as your time to finish all the activities. So I'm just publishing this one in advance right now, so you can have an advanced reading, just in case that your free time, you have a time to do an advanced reading. All right. Then right after this will be your final exam already. Your final exam will be on August 6th, I guess. Yeah, August 6th. So that is the last day of our class also, August 6th. So expect that you're going to have 2 more quizzes for the module 11 and 12. Right? And the coverage of your final exam will be from module 6 to module 12. So everything that is discussed under the finals will be your coverage for the final exam. So are we clear so far? Hello, are you guys able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. So one last reminder is that just like what I told you guys in my announcement, we're going to have a limited face-to-face tomorrow. So again, we're only going to meet from 3:30 to 5:30 only. So you just come to school 3:30 to 5:30. So do not, attend 5:30 to 7:30 anymore because we're trying to catch up with Sir Marcelo. So he's going to go home at he's going to go home at exactly 5 p.m. But maybe, he can extend up to 5:30 so that we can bring back the components or the equipments safely. Okay, because it's quite risky if we'll just leave that one outside. So we don't know what will happen, especially that someone will clean the room after we use the classroom. So who knows? Who will steal or you touch the equipment. So just to be safe, you're just going to use the time from 3:30 to 5:30. All right. So again, we'll find ways to fit you guys on that room. Okay, so does anyone has a question or clarification? Concerns before we end our meeting? All right. So it seems that you guys don't have any constraints at all. No question at all. Then you guys may no go. So as usual, thank you guys for coming. We appreciate it. Blessed day to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too, and
Thank you, sir.
thank you.